Hey there fellow singers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kalena from Voice Savvy and we are dedicated to helping you reach your highest potential as singers. Now I'm super thrilled to have you here for another inspiring video, and if you're new to this channel, then welcome. It is so good to have you. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing some essential tips that can really help you enhance your stage presence and deliver captivating performances. So let's jump straight in with tip number one. So tip number one is connect with your audience. You know, this first tip is all about connecting with your audience. You know, you got to make sure that you're engaging with them by making eye contact, smiling, and using gestures that really express emotion. Remember, the more you are connected with your audience, the more captivating your performance will be. Tip number two is use body language effectively. So next up is the power of body language. Stand tall with confidence, use purposeful movement that really complements your performance, and be mindful of your body positioning on stage as well. You know, but you can be experimenting with different postures and gestures that really align with the mood and the style of your performance. And you can be doing this beforehand, just making sure that you're comfortable on stage. Number three is express genuine emotion. Now, authenticity is key to captivating performances. So you really want to tap into the emotion of the song and convey, you know, them genuinely through facial expressions, body language, and your vocal delivery, allowing yourself to be vulnerable, which is not always easy for us to do, but being vulnerable on stage is really going to let the audience, you know, see the depth of our emotions. And tip number four is utilize stage space. Don't be afraid to utilize the entire stage space, you know, move around and explore different areas and use the stage as an extension of your performance. This dynamic use of space is really just going to add visual interest, and it's going to keep your audience engaged throughout your act. Tip number five is practice stage transitions. Now, smooth transitions between songs or segments of your performance are essential for really maintaining momentum and really keeping your audience captivated. So plan your transitions in advance, you know, really ensuring that they flow seamlessly. We don't want any awkward pauses during your performance, so rehearse your transitions thoroughly to make sure that they are natural and effortless whilst you're performing. So tip number six is work on your vocal delivery. Now, your vocal delivery plays a significant role in really captivating performances, you know. Practice your vocal techniques that are really going to enhance the expressiveness, such as dynamic variation, you know, control over your tone and textures of your voice, and just effective use of vocal embellishment. And then tip number seven is embrace the power of visualization. Before your performance, take a moment to really visualize yourself delivering a captivating and memorable show. Imagine that you're connecting with your audience, expressing emotion, and delivering an outstanding performance. This mental preparation can really boost your confidence and help you to bring your visualization to life. Visualizing is so powerful. And that is it from me. But yeah, these tips are really just going to help you when it comes to mastering your stage presence and delivering captivating performances. Remember, stage presence is a combination of really connecting with your audience, expressing genuine emotion, and yeah, just using your body language effectively, you know. But with practice and dedication, you can truly captivate any audience. But if you found these tips helpful, make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and yeah, like this video and share with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. But yeah, you can also join our Voice Savvy community by downloading the app on the App Store or Google Play. It's a community that's really all about supporting each other, and also there are challenges on the app. There's vocal workouts on the app, and also, yeah, just training videos, you know, and for free as well. So download the app today, and that's it from me. I will see you soon. Peace. Mwah. Out.